every day I need the burudi of Jesus. Every day I need the burudi of Jesus. Because he is good, because he is good. Every day I need the burudi of Jesus.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Night Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with celebrity stories, and guys sikhuluma ngendaba ke ezingemnandi indaba kagogo ke uGlorious waka Musambiyamana. She is from Rwanda and she is a gospel singer guys. Udume kakhulu nje kulezi nyangana nje ezimbalwa ezidlule ngeculo lakhe ke elithi Every Day I Need the Bread of Jesus. And ke guys ugogo ke bebona njengomuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma ke iEnglish, but ubefundile yena ngoba ubekwazi ukufunda the songbook language yakhe, engazi ukuthi language yakhe bakhulumani ke eRwanda. So kuthiwa ke ugogo guys usuka ekhaya eya kwi crusade ka 3 days engenalutho nje right, then wafike ke waba ke ne seizure attack lapha ya, and ke bathi ke ube nenkinga yenhliziyo, which I think ke ikona ke okumthathe ke emhlabeni. Shone ngomhla ka 4 September ese-Uganda attende ke i-crusade. And so guys abantu ke bela inkundleni zokuxhumana bakithi bayakhala kakhulu ngoba bese bemthanda kakhulu ke ugogo nangendlela ke abekhuluma ngakhona ke i-English, bekuhlekisa ngempela guys, and nangendlela becula ngakhona nje every day wakhe watrenda kakhulu. And yeah man, but one thing I like about her ukuthi ke she really worked for uNkulunkulu wakhe. She was singing, she was praising, she was praying for kids, she was doing a lot of things, and abantu bemthanda ngempela, and she was genuine in everything that kade ke eyenza ke ugogo. Engathi ke bakithi umoya wakhe ke ungaphumula ngokuthula. So yeah guys, man, that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below ukuthi ke feeling yakho with the story, nanokuthi ke ngesikhathi uqala ke ukumbona wazizwa kanjani ngesikhathi uqala ukubona ke ugogo. I don't know to like guys, angangimthanda ngangimposta every day and angangihleka. So manje mase ngizothiwa kasekho emhlabeni ngiyabona ukuthi hayibo Nkosi yami bakithi umuntu okade eyimisele kanje ngoNkulunkulu wakhe, how can this just happen guys? So yeah, bye.